everyone, and welcome back to Concordia for English.ca. Today we are learning about demonstrative pronouns. These help us point to specific people or things. So let's get started with the definition. Demonstrative pronouns point to something either near or far, singular or plural. And here's the list for you of demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. And here are two examples for you to make it simple. The first example, this is my laptop. As you see, I used the pronoun this to refer to something near and singular. The second example is, those are your shoes. And I used those to refer to something far and plural. So let me give you a quick tip to help you memorizing these demonstrative pronouns. Use this and these for things that are close to you. Use that or those for things that are farther away from you. So let's take a quick practice. The first one, blank is delicious. The second one, are blank your books on the shelf. So take some time and think about them. Alright, so as I also just mentioned for you, the quick tip. When it comes to solve or to answer these two blanks, think about, is the first example referring to something close or far away? And the same thing for the second blank. Am I referring to something plural or singular, far or close? Okay, so let's take the blanks. Blank is delicious. This is delicious. Are blank your books on the shelf? Are those your books on the shelf? Alright, so in the next video, we will meet the interrogative pronouns. Thank you for watching and see you soon.